Welcome to my class. Lesson: Sentences used in office. Sentence is: The office has many computers. The office has many computers. The next sentence is: The computer is very fast. The computer is very fast. The next sentence is: The monitor is too bright. The monitor is too bright. The next sentence is: The laptop battery is low. The laptop battery is low. The next sentence is: The mouse is smooth. The mouse is smooth. The next sentence is: The keyboard is broken. The keyboard is broken. The next sentence is: I need to fix the computer. I need to fix the computer. The next sentence is: The printer is on the desk. The printer is on the desk. The next sentence is: The printer works well. The printer works well. The next sentence is: The printer is out of paper. The printer is out of paper. The next sentence is: The office phone is ringing. The office phone is ringing. The next sentence is: I need a binder. I need a binder. The next sentence is: I need a file folder. I need a file folder. The next sentence is: I need a flash drive. I need a flash drive. The next sentence is: I need a folder. I need a folder. The next sentence is: I need some paper. I need some paper. The next sentence is: The air conditioner is cold. The air conditioner is cold. The next sentence is: The meeting room has a projector. The meeting room has a projector. The next sentence is: I need to restart the computer. The next sentence is: The equipment is new. The equipment is new.